Díomh Colini. That means hello girls. So is Fishan os Gaelga é sin. This is an Irish video. Mar cúpla lá ó hin bhí mé cainte bella agus cúpla Colini eile agus bhí Fishan Gaelga ag tastal. So Bella and I and a couple of girls were chatting on chat and they asked me to make an Irish video. Talk a little bit of Irish. This is piece of biog den teanga Gaelga. A bit of the Irish language. So we're in a main kinna con carthy úsáid. So I decided to use cards to teach you some words. Okay, so we're deuce. Chalk. Captain? Chalk. Train. That's kind of boring. Echelon. Gachtainna. Echelon. When I say gachtainna, that means you have to repeat after me. Leabhar. Gachtainna. Líróid. Gachtainna. Líróid. I know none of you are doing it. Okay. Fear is a man. Cahir. The chair. Car is a car. Board is a table. Okay, they're getting a little bit boring now. So is Teddy é sin. This is the teddy. Is Muck é sin. Is a pig. Because it's a pig. It's a pig, it's a pig. Is Busk é sin. Seo é mo grúig. Seo é mo súl. Seo é mo shrón. Seo é mo béal. Mo bhéal. Okay, one second. That's my dictionary. Look at that now. Okay, I'll show you my leabhar. The Irish dictionary always goes on top. So I sound like a total idiot, I'm sure. But yeah, seo é an teanga Gaelga. What else do you want me to say? I'll make another